Hi, my name is Wuraola Olalekan, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you two lessons adulthood has been teaching me that no one warns you about. One of the things that I've been learning is the importance of nurturing relationships. It's scary how, in a world or in a day and age where we have so much connectivity, we lose touch with valuable relationships. I feel like everybody is trying to connect with the next big thing. Everybody is trying to be a part of the next big circle. Everybody is trying to be a part of that circle that matters and be a part of something big. But we despise the relationships, the people we have in our immediate environment. We disregard the immediate relationships we have. And it's sad. I'm learning this because it's also speaking to me because for a while, I've not really been the person that cared. I'm trying my best to care for people, to intentionally reach out, to intentionally show care, affection, concern, to be in touch, to keep in touch. We lost someone there to us earlier this month, and it was really sad. Myself and my friend, we started to ask, when this person was going through a tough time, did we reach out? Did we check in? What could this have been avoided? Could we have made it easier for her? Like all manner of things. And I'm learning. I took a step today. My mom told me to reach out to somebody, and I kept procrastinating that I was going to reach out. I was going to reach out, but I didn't until my mom mentioned it again today. And while on the call with her, I just sent a message and intentionally reached out. So I'm learning to do that. I'm learning to, hi, how are you doing today? I just thought of you and I thought to say hello. I hope you're fine. Like, how are you really? The heart that genuinely cares for people, that shows concern, that is not just reaching out to people when you remember that, oh, yes, I have somebody in this space. Let me ask them for this. Yes, that might happen because we are busy. Everybody's busy. You are building something, you're doing something valuable, something tangible. But still, there are people around you that matter just when you think of the person. So another thing that has helped me is instead of waiting for the right moment to reach out, as soon as this person crosses your mind, pick up your phone and send a WhatsApp message. Hi, how are you doing today? I just thought of you and I thought to say hello. That might blow up into a conversation or a chat or something. Whatever it is, just intentionally reach out, intentionally check in on people. Another thing I'm learning is as we grow as adults, the importance of saying no without explanation. Now, there is the wisdom to this. I hope I'm able to balance it. But there are times when, especially for people who are people pleasers, people ask you for something, ask you for a favor, it's not convenient. But because you don't want to say no, or you don't know how to say no, you accept it and you suffer in silence because it is not convenient. It is such a sacrifice for you. This person doesn't understand how much sacrifice it is for you. You're literally killing yourself to deliver. You're literally killing yourself to be there for this person. And it's costing you a lot. And you keep taking things like that. You keep taking insults, taking jobs that you don't have the time for, taking projects that you cannot give yourself effectively to because you don't want to say no. And I realized that many times when I want to say no, I'm looking for a valid reason to say no. Now, not valid to myself. Of course, that reason is valid to me, but like a convincible, valid reason to that other person. That, oh yeah, somebody died, that's why I won't be coming. No, I won't be coming because it's not convenient for me. I won't be coming. I'm sorry I can't do this. There are times when you need to do that for your sake. Yes, there is a wisdom to communicate, and there is also the wisdom with the kind of relationships. But I'm learning, like I'm doing that because last year I took up a lot of things that wasted my time. You guys, I wasted a lot of time last year because I was doing so many things. So many things. Even when I resigned my job, I was working so hard and I wasn't getting paid because I gave myself to so many things and so many people that were not worth my time. So this year, you have a project interested in, this is my rates for consultation, this is my rates for training, you want me to train at your workshop, these are my rates. Let's see if you really value what I have to offer or if you're just here for the freebies. A lot of people, there's a scripture that my mentor shared with me that stuck. so many years ago she shared with me, and it's stuck. This scripture, I can't remember the exact verse, but it says that if you cast your pearls to swine, they would turn around and attack you. Yes, that is giving things to people who are not worth it. So I'm learning to say no. A sharp no, without excuse and without explanation. If I want to share an excuse, I would share an excuse. If you're a person that is worth that excuse, I would share it. Not everybody is worth my time. Not everybody is worth my attention. And I'm doing this for my peace of mind, for my sanity. I am one person. I am one human being. And there are people who make fun of, oh yeah, she's a celebrity now. Oh yes, he's now a big boy. He's now a billionaire. He doesn't have our time again. We were with you when you were in the trenches. Hello, 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 hello. You're not entitled to my life. I have just one life to live, and I will account for how I spent every minute of my day. So if something is not worth my time at the moment, I'm sorry, but it's not worth my time. It's not. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Please, I want to fulfill my own destiny. I want to give myself to the things that my heart is yearning for. I cannot constantly give my time, my resources, my energy to other people. There was somebody who shared something with me sometime last year. Like, you cannot keep investing, nurturing someone else's garden while neglecting your own garden. While you are nurturing someone else's garden, you need to ensure that your own garden is not being neglected. You are simultaneously nurturing your own garden because you account for your own field. You account for your field. People only need you for as much as you're useful. The moment they're not able to get as much value from you like they used to, they will find someone else. They will walk away. Unapologetically, they will find your replacement right on the spot. They will. So why are you killing yourself? What matters most to you? Priorities. There's certain things that you might have interest in that is good, but it's not good for now. Like at the moment, it's more of a distraction. If you're new here, hi, my name is Wuraola Olalekan, and on this channel, I share practical tips and actionable steps that will help you become a better version of yourself. So if that is something you're interested in, hurry and hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to know as soon as a new video comes up. Okay? All right, bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.